Gabi nga, napanood nyo na ang red carpet at masayang-masaya tayo to see all of them here. And we're very happy, of course, na makita ang ating buong cast na ngayon parang chill after nila panoorin, of course, ang first two episodes. But of course, batiin din natin ang ating mga kapamilya online. Hello, hello po sa inyo dyan, sa inyong mga tahanan. Sana po ay mag-enjoy po kayo sa ating Grand MediaCon. And of course, if you wanna say anything, i-tweet niyo po kami. Gamitin niyo lamang po ang ating official hashtag. For the day, we have hashtag high-street grand-mediacon, and also we have hashtag high-street-domination. And of course, we also have Miss Dimples
Of
Romana
course,
here.
the Dimples Romana made it. Wow.
Alright. Well, kanina nakita na rin natin the trailer, no? Before we even watch the first two episodes. At sabi talaga doon, higher. Higher the pressure, higher the thrill, and higher the excitement. Of course, ipapakilala ko rin sa inyo ang ating mga kasama for today. We have Eric John Salud.
Hello, hello! Wow! Okay, so alas 7 pa kami magkakasama ng production team. Congratulations, the unit of Eric Salud. Direct, congratulations!
Alright.
Miss BJ, Miss Camille, Miss
Yes.
Minnie, Miss Pam, everyone. Si TJ, Direct MS Silvestre, congratulations ang bongga-bongga na pilot. Diba, Miss Daniel?
Totoo yan, Tito EJ. But of course, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of napakadami po natin kasama dito ngayon sa Dreamscape Entertainment Executives. We have the head of Dreamscape Entertainment. We have Miss Kylie Manalo Balagtas.
KMB!
We also have the creative head of Dreamscape Entertainment, Mr. Rondel Indayag. And the Dreamscape Entertainment Business Unit Head, of course, Direk Eric Salud.
ECS.
At of course, marami pang iba. We have the head of corporate communication. We have Mr. Kena Choi here. Maraming
And
salamat.
his
sir.
team na in
Yes.
full force, di ba?
Oo, grabe, sobrang supportive, no? Kasi with the traffic outside, alam ko, napakainit, but you guys are all here. Of course, to our media friends, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdating.
Siyempre, Miss Gaynor, hindi pinaramdam ng SM Aura ang init sa
Yes,
atin
yun
today
naman
dahil
ang-
ang
yun-
sarap-sarap ng venue. Ang lamig.
Na-segue natin yan. Thank you so much,
Walang
of course.
naglapot, di ba?
Yes, totoo yan. Well, I think our media friends are already excited to ask questions sa ating mga cast na talaga namang lahat sila nandito. So, I think... Tito
Pababatiin
EJ,
ba
mag-start
natin
na
sila?
tayo?
Siguro later on pagsasagot na sila.
Yes,
But,
oo.
gusto ko
Mag-start
lang, I'd
tayo.
like to hear from our two directors.
Okay, go ahead.
Direct Lino Cayetano. Greet everyone muna. Direct Lino, please.
Hello, thank you sa pinakamamahal naming mga miyembro ng press. Thank you for being here. Congratulations everyone. Congratulations. Napakalaking pribilehyo na maging parte ng isang show na napakamakabuluhan. I loved watching Senior High, but also I loved yung message ng Senior High.
Iba din.
Iba.
Di ba? Oo.
So it's talaga a privilege to be working with this team. Direk Ona, thank you. And thank you to Dreamscape. I love what I'm doing here.
Aw.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you
And
so
of
much,
course,
Direk.
the award-winning, the world-class
Of
Ona
course.
Diaz!
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat sa pinakamamahal naming press people, sa mga vloggers na sumuporta sa amin mula pa man nung senior high. I welcome you back. Maraming salamat po sa muling pagsuporta sa amin, pagtulong sa amin to spread the word about our show, and I hope you enjoy the show the way we enjoy doing it.
May pina-experience sa atin today. We were able to watch the pilot day, Miss
Yes.
Gaynil, ano?
First two episodes, Direk, masasabi ko lang, congratulations na agad. Grabe, Direk Lino. The cast, talagang grabe. Pero I think, Tito EJ, maganda rin. Mag-hi na rin ngayon ang ating sila Andrea Brilliant.
Isa-isahin mo na yan, Miss
Yes,
Gaynil.
oo,
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Cyril? Cyril na lang muna.
Let's start with yung mga child wonder. Child wonder, na nanganak na ngayon dito.
Good afternoon po. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta and pagsama sa amin sa special po na date na to. Sana po nagustuhan niyo po yung ginawa namin and thank you po. We're so happy to have you guys.
Ang ganda ng character doon ni Cyril.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Nag-mature na talaga.
Nagtitimpla ng gatas, di ba?
Thank you po.
Pero na-enjoy talaga natin yun.
Thank
Next,
you
we
po.
have, of course, Elijah Canlas.
Woo!
Hello po, good evening. Afternoon pa lang pala. Good afternoon, everyone. Yun nga po, salamat for being here. Aside from that, we're excited to hear your thoughts and your questions. Kaya excited po for this afternoon. Thank you.
Tapos dito naman sa side na to tayo, Miss Gainiel, ha?
Alright.
Let's start with Rans! Ito suki to eh.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for being here and sana mag-enjoy pa po tayo ngayong afternoon. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat.
Alright, thank you. And of course, Miss Angeli.
Maraming salamat din po sa inyo lahat for joining us today. I hope, tulad po ng sinabi nila, you're as excited as we are. Thank you so much for joining us again today.
Iba ang kilabot factor nung bagong show, ano?
Correct.
Kanina talagang sabi ko, ay iba to. Iba ang ibibigay ng High Street.
At hindi nakaupo sa chair si Tito EJ kanina. Sa
I was
floor.
watching sa aisle.
Nasa aisle na siya.
Wow, kumaka-aisle. Oh,
Sobrang
punong-puno
intense
kasi yung
kasi.
cinema to.
Totoo.
Alright. And of course, Gerald Madrid.
Ayun, magandang hapon po sa lahat ng press people, sa mga kaibigan po namin dito. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo. And yung sa mga nakatutok sa streaming ngayon, magandang tanghali po
Hindi
sa inyo
pa namin
lahat.
napanood sa first two. Wala pa, no?
Sa susunod pa yata.
Parang hindi na. Charing lang!
Hindi kaya
Matitense
dapat
na naman
nating
yan.
abangan.
Ako, hindi.
Oo.
Natutuwa nga ako eh. Ano ka ba?
Pinapasaya ko
Ayun
sa
nga,
lahat siyang
EJ, yung kulit, oh.
nervyos. Of course. Oh. Thank you, Je.
Next, we
Thank
have,
you,
of
thank you,
course.
thank you.
Yes, next we have, of course, Miggy Jimenez.
Ayan.
Hi. Good afternoon po, everyone. We're officially back. So, yun nga po, sana na-enjoy nyo and please bear with us kasi first time din namin panood yung ginawa namin this past few weeks, months. So, let's have yung amats lang na enjoyin lang natin then, yeah. So, thank you guys.
Nakaka-in-love yung character niya sa reunion, ano? Tapos naririnig niyang yung love ni, kay, di ba,
Oo.
kakatawa. Yung kay Zijan tsaka sa Cyril.
Oo,
Yung
pati
kilig
yung-
part,
Yes.
sana all may ganun tayo, di
Oo.
ba?
At yun talaga yung aabangan because kasama din natin, of course,
Another child
we have,
wonder.
yes, Zijan Haranilia.
Z.
Hello everyone, magandang hapon po. Maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo at sana suportahan na rin po natin yung High Street katulad ng pagsuporta nyo noon sa senior high. At sana nag-enjoy kayo. Maraming salamat.
We had fun, of course.
Super enjoy na agad kami first 2 episodes. Of course, we have Kian Cipriano.
Nakaka-in-love character ni Kian dito, nakaka-in-love. Oo. Halatang mahal na mahal niya talaga si
Hindi, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo sa suporta sa show namin. And salamat sa oras nyo. Salamat dahil alam namin tutulungan nyo kami to spread the word. And ako, maging parte lang nitong napakalupit na cast na to, napakalupit na team, mga director namin, buong production. Maraming salamat, Dreamscape, for coming up with this wonderful material.
Of course.
Yes, we love that, yung babe, no? Yung
True,
pa-babe nilang
oo.
dalawa ni Miss Angel. Alright, of course, we also have here Ralph De Leon.
Who is a member of a new cast ng, di ba?
Yes.
Unang-una po, marami pong salamat sa lahat po ng press tsaka media na sumuporta po sa amin today. Alam ko po, di pa ako napakita sa first 2 episodes pero marami po pong aabangan.
Sa next
So,
yun
sa
ba?
next-
Sa week 4 yata mapapakita.
Week 4, week 4.
Kabisado. Alright,
ayun, thank
we
you
also
po.
have AC Bonifacio.
AC!
Yes po! Hello po everyone! I'm AC Bonifacio. Thank you so much for coming here today. Thank you for taking the time to be here and thank you for the continuous support from senior high to high street. Thank you for also welcoming me, the cast, as a newbie here. It's just been such an honor. Kaya maraming salamat
Ace,
po.
alam ko bago yung character mo. Alam ko namang hindi lang yan basta young reporter. Alam kong may pupuntahan
Oo.
pa yan. What can you assure your followers? Kasi first, pang ilang
Oh, no.
di ba?
Bawal po ako mag-spoil. Basta
I'm
ngayon
not,
po,
don't
I'm
overshare.
so...
Just tell us
I'm-
how exciting the character is.
What you guys are doing now, that is what I am doing as Nikki in the show. That is what she is. And she will grow in that job, in her passion with Wesley and Sky po.
Alright.
Ito,
Oo, direct siya kay Scott.
Parang may pagkakikay doon si AC, di ba?
Tamad na reporter, ano?
Somehow nakita ko yung sarili ko
Ayaw,
sa
interviewin yung by floor. Sumuko agad.
Oo nga. But anyway, I think we'll see more of AC Jan for sure. Of course, we also have Harvey Bautista.
Harvey! Harv Snack!
Hello po.
Ano bang brand ng kamerang mong dala doon? Charot.
Paiba-iba palagi eh. Mali sa continuity.
Mayaman ang show.
Pero ayun po, thank you po for being here. Thank you po for
Siniraan
being
ng
here.
Art Dep. Oo. Go, Nak.
I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Siyempre, ayun, first time nga po namin makita yung cut na napanood po natin lahat. I hope you enjoyed. Siyempre, thank you sa Dreamscape and this whole team for accepting the three of us dito sa family ninyo. Exciting, kinakabahan ako, pero yeah, thank you so much.
Alright.
Alright. And of course, ang newly engaged, we have Tommy Alejandrino.
Ang may dance prod ng Marry Me, Marry You.
Hello po, thank you so much for coming. Sana po na-enjoy niyo yung dance namin.
Cute.
Sana more pa.
Of course,
Hindi, tama
we
na.
also-
Okay na yung isa. Tama na yan.
Of course, we also have Jella Ataide.
Hi, Jelena.
Hi everyone. Thank you for being here. Yeah, I just want to say that this is just the start. There's so much more to come. Nagsisimula pa lang po yung show, and we hope that you enjoyed what you saw, and we hope that you will enjoy what's to come. Yeah.
Siya
Thank
yung
you.
nag-invite for the reunion na natapos almost everyone made it. Alright. Next naman. Oh, Diyos ko naman itong next naman. Ano ba? Ana Abad Santos!
We love the character.
Hello, hi everyone. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're excited to watch the next episodes because we're also very excited to go on with High Street, and I hope you I hope you like the character, where they're going, as I do. And as you know, my hubby here. That's just as crazy. But anyway, maraming salamat po. And I hope you enjoy. Crazier pala, crazier.
Nakakatakot itong mga to. Ito na po, of course, Vimon Confiado!
Thank you po sa inyong lahat for being here. Actually, first time po namin napanood yon. Ako mismo kinilabutan dun sa mga eksenang kinuna namin ni Direk Onat and Direk Lino. Pero promise, wala pa po yon. Parang introduction pa lang ng mga characters. Mas grabe ang magiging mga susunod na kabanata. Ibang-iba.
Alright.
Intense.
Saka nakakainis talaga yung character ni Sir Mon. And talaga.
Natutulog, nainis ka, wala nang ginagawa.
Oo. Saka alam mo yung acting talaga ng hindi ka naman nakakapagsalita ng lines.
I know.
Talagang
Pinabubuhay na mamatay, tapos biglang nagka-flatline, tapos
Yes.
buhay na naman.
At sisigawan talaga ng sobra para mabuhay.
Tapos
I love that.
Tapos ito-close up si Ana Abad Santos with that, oh my goodness, unbelievable performance. Ang husay.
All right. Of course, next we have Miss Dimples.
Hello, thank you, ganyan. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Alam mo kasi bagong salta ako, so nalalamig yung kamay kong katabi ko si Gov. Gov, nakakatakot ka pala. Alam niyo po ba si Kuya Mon, syempre magkatrabaho na kami also with Direk Lino back in Once Upon a Time. And as you know, the Mon Confiado has been in the business for 70 years. Sorry! 67 pala. Joke lang. No, but I'm so excited. I'm always very excited, Direk Onat, no? Tayo, and I love you so naman tayo nila Ate Angel. At kami ni Blythe in Kadenang Ginto. Si JK, nung The Voice Kids pa siya. Joke. No, but I'm so happy po that I'm part of the cast. As you know, this is the first teleserye I've accepted after a long break, no? And of course, it should be with Dreamscape. And I was so excited. I'm sure I share the same heart and sentiment when we say we dedicate this particular one for Sir Deo. Kasi as in the passion alone, you feel it on set with everyone, pati our crew, our staff, our creatives. Iba yung pusong dala-dala ngayon because of that. But more than anything, as you know, in my career, I always like working with young people. So, sobrang excited ko po, nakatrabaho ko ulit si Jan. Si Jan po, nung katrabaho ko nung huli yan, 2 pa lang siya. Joke pala. 1? ay, bastusan pala talaga dito. no, but thank you for coming and we love seeing all our familiar faces from the media here. Lahat naman kayo kaibigan namin. So, excited po kami, Mama Ojos.
Dims, alam mo naman how grateful we are na umuo ka doing this. Alam mo naman, alam mo na, kung gaano ka-close kay the great Deo and Janelle si Dimples. May mga lunches sila.
Yes.
And I'm happy that she's back with us. All her iconic teleseries have been with Dreamscape. Kaya,
And Tito EJ, I remember I was able to talk to Miss
Yes,
Dimples,
ganyan.
no? Parang 2 weeks ago na ba ata
Yes,
yun?
I
And
think
nasabi mo, you took a break for like 7 months.
Yes, I did.
And dito ka lang talaga bumalik, kaya naman talaga very happy din.
And that was with intention as well because I've had conversations with Sir Day and we were supposed to do something else. But as you know, the Lord works in different ways. So this one, I'm so sure ma-excite kayong gawin. Ay, sana lang hindi ako mapatay ni Gov. Ay, hindi ka sure! Talaga pala.
hindi pa namin alam kasi ang ganda-ganda
Ano ba?
naman dito.
Ano ba to?
Saka siya lang yung nahulog sa bike na sobrang ganda.
Ay, sorry po. Ito na.
Okay.
Alright, we also
Another Deo and Janelle baby. Angel Aquino. Angel.
Salamat naman at bago na yung introduction, mas gusto ko
Ayaw
yan.
mo na ng The Great Angel Aquino.
Deo and Renal baby. Claim ko talaga yan. But maraming salamat for spending your afternoon with us. As a fan of senior high, kasi nung ginagawa namin senior high, pinapanood ko rin talaga siya. And I did not miss an episode. So when I saw this again, yes, I was your fan. So when I saw this, I was so delighted to see everyone grow and everyone become their new selves now. Yung mas adult, mga nag-adulting na ng mga bata from Northford. So, I hope that you were as delighted as I was watching the 2 episodes. Sobra akong nabitan and I can't wait to see at least the first week. Sana kung first week, siguro mas buo yung experience namin. But yeah, I was so amazed by all the acting.
True.
Miss Anna, grabe naman yun eh. Yun, totoo naman yun. But, and everyone else, I'm sure, kahit yung mga hindi nyo pa napanood kanina, everyone here we all give 100% of ourselves and even more because nga this is something that we're doing for Dreamscape, for Sir Deo, and of course for the people who have been supporting senior high and then now high street. Thank you very much to you guys.
Alright.
Okay.
Ang gwapo-gwapo niya dito, ano?
Yes.
Pumayat eh. Talagang pinagandaan ng season 2, ang part 2.
Doon ko talaga nakita kanina na grabe pala talaga ang isang Juan Carlos.
Nag-isang Juan Carlos.
Hello. Hi, good afternoon po everyone. Ay, hindi maganda tignan. Hi, maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng oras na niyong araw para supportahan po ang High Street. Hindi ko nga alam ba't dalawang mic gamit ko. Pero ayun, and I just want...
May nahuhulog na, no?
And I just want to say thank you, first of all, Dreamscape and ABS, for giving me this opportunity. Kasi naalala ko kay Direk Onat nung senior high, sabi ko, Direk, baka naman pwede humingi ng dagdag scenes lang kahit papaano, di ba? Tapos di ko naman nakala isang buong season ang ibibigay. So, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. And honestly, it's one of the best things that I spend my time on, especially with all of these people that I'm sharing this stage with. And kasi, I just learned so much, especially from all of these people that I've worked from senior high and then all of the new ones that I'm excited and looking forward to work with. And sobrang nakakataba lang ng puso, sa totoo lang. And ayun, maraming salamat. And abangan ninyo kasi maraming mga pasabog.
Alam mo, nag-mature si Juan Carlos kasi that's the first show namin. Ang kulit-kulit niya nung media
makulit pa rin
Hindi niya exactly.
Not as kulit as before kasi with Kyle. Ngayon,
I'm
pero
not
iba
kulit
siya.
anymore.
Leading man na.
Stop.
Stop it.
Uy, pero maganda talaga yung character ngayon ni Juan Carlos. But of course, we have here Andrea Brillantes.
She delivers every time.
Yes.
Andrea Brillantes.
Sorry po, ang kulit kasi ni JK. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito. Sana po nagustuhan nyo yung napanood ninyo at sa mga sumuporta po sa senior high at nandun, nung meron din kaming ganito po nung senior high, maraming salamat. Sana po suportahan nyo ang High Street. Katulad ng pag-supportan niyo po sa senior high. Ayun lang, excited na ako sa mga tanong ninyo so hindi ko na po papahabain pa. Let's do this.
And with that, thank you all for coming. Charot lang, tinapos na.
Done na pala siya.
I know.
But before that, Tito EJ, again, I know we have like a lot of audience sa online world.
On, we
Pwede
will
po
fix
natin
that.
gamitan ng hashtag High Street Grand MediaCon and hashtag High Street Domination.
Ayun.
Ikwento nyo po sa amin kung ano mga gusto nyo makita, maikwent o maitanong sa ating cast. Baka po mabasa po namin yan.